Hello, and welcome to a look at some exciting new discoveries. Scientists think they have found a special group of brain cells in mice that could explain why we sleep longer and more deeply after we haven't had enough rest. This new discovery helps us understand how our brains recover from a lack of sleep. It might even help create new treatments for people who have trouble sleeping. Other studies show that not getting enough sleep can change our brains, making us crave unhealthy food and gain weight. In other news about the brain, researchers are looking at a natural glue that can fix damaged DNA in our brain cells. This could one day lead to cures for diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, which affect the brain as people get older. All these findings help us learn more about how our brains work when it comes to sleep, stress, and aging. Researchers in France have discovered a new blood group, which they named Guada negative. They found it in a woman from a place called Guadeloupe. This is the 48th blood group to be identified in the world. So far, this woman is the only person known to have this extremely rare type of blood. This finding solved a 50-year-old mystery in the study of blood and is considered one of a kind. Discovering new blood types is very important for making sure blood donations and transfusions are safe and compatible for everyone. A company called Vertex Pharmaceuticals has developed a new treatment for people with type 1 diabetes that is hard to control. The treatment uses special cells grown from stem cells. In a study with 12 adults, this new therapy, which is a single infusion, helped their bodies start making their own insulin again. A year after getting the treatment, most of the participants barely needed any insulin shots anymore, and 10 of them didn't need any at all. All the patients were able to keep their blood sugar at healthy levels and didn't experience any dangerous drops in blood sugar. The company plans to finish the study this year and hopes to get the treatment approved for use starting in 2026. The U.S. government has stopped new medical studies that send living cells from American citizens to China and other countries. In these studies, the cells were supposed to be genetically changed and then put back into the patients. The government is worried about safety and security. This decision came after it was discovered that some people from China were charged with smuggling germs into the United States. One of these was a fungus that could be used to harm American farms. Experts are also concerned that China is creating biological weapons that could target people of specific ethnic backgrounds. The government is taking this threat very seriously and has paused these studies, especially since some of them were approved without the participants fully understanding what was happening. Marine biologists have found 3 new types of sea spiders that eat methane, a type of gas. These are the first animals ever discovered to do this. The tiny creatures, each about the size of a grain of rice, were found deep in the ocean off the coasts of California and Alaska, where methane seeps out from the seafloor. These sea spiders have colonies of bacteria on their bodies that eat the methane. The spiders then eat the bacteria. It's like they're farming their own food. Scientists think these spiders might help stop this powerful gas from escaping the ocean into the atmosphere, where it can affect the climate. A powerful new telescope at the Vera-C Rubin Observatory will soon start a 10-year mission to map the southern night sky. It will take pictures of the entire sky every 3 days. Scientists hope this will help them solve big mysteries, like what dark matter is and whether there is a hidden 9th planet in our solar system. Speaking of Planet 9, astronomers think they may have already found 2 possible candidates by looking for their heat. Meanwhile, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has been taking amazing pictures. It created the biggest map of the universe ever, showing almost 800,000 galaxies, some from 13.5 billion years ago. The telescope has also given us incredible views of beautiful space objects, like the Einstein ring, and stunning pictures of planets like Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating developments.